Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Elisa, here at Sherwood Park Chevrolet. And today we'll be taking a look at this awesome customized 2019 Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss Edition. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger 4x4 crew cab pickup truck in a classic black color. Under the hood, you'll find a 5.3-liter V8 cylinder engine. And not only do you have the Z71 off-road package, you also have a ton of custom features. You have the 18-inch 35 by 12.5 Toyo MT tires with the 0.25-inch wheel spacer. And on top of your 2-inch lift that comes with the Trail Boss Edition, you also have a 1-inch leveling kit. And there's tons happening on the inside, so why don't we hop on in and take a look. Helping you into your customized 2019 1500 Trail Boss is your handy dandy proximity key. So on your key fob, you have your lock, your unlock, your remote vehicle start, your power tailgate, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. I'm going to lock it back up here for you so you can see you have little buttons on all 4 doors. Pushing the front door once will unlock the front door, the driver door, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. That's going to be really handy for when you have other passengers in your vehicle. You also have your off-road running boards, which is going to be nice and handy as well for getting in and out of your truck. We're going to open this up and take a look at the interior. And right away you can see lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You have tons of room here in the console, like in the side door here, along with a cup holder, lots of storage. You have this beautiful wood inlay, and you have your power adjustable mirrors. So that's going to be really nice, your power foldable mirrors as well. Moving a little bit further in, you've got your Bose sound system, so sweet sound system to listen to your music with. That's going to be really great. And then you have your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. You have your power adjustable driver's seat with your power adjustable lumbar support, so lots of ways to get nice and comfortable, and it won't be hard in this beautiful leather interior. This leather is so soft. I challenge you to come and take a test drive and not fall in love with this leather. Looking a little bit further up, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof, so that's going to be really nice on those hot summer days. And then just to the left of your steering wheel here, you have your 4x4 control and your automatic lights, which is really great because you can just set them and forget them. So I'm going to start it up here for you. And we'll take a look at your interior features. So I'm actually just putting it on display mode. I'm not starting it, but you do have your push start. So if you hold it down for a few seconds, you have your display mode, and it'll let you use all of your interior settings without actually running the vehicle. So on your leather wrapped steering wheel, you have your cruise control here on the left. It's also a heated steering wheel. That's going to be really great in the winter months. On the right hand side, you have your voice command and your hands-free calling. You also have these little buttons here that will allow you to toggle back and forth between your menus. So you've got your music, your information there, so which this is going to give you your engine information, your info package, your trip 1, trip 2, tire pressure warning, brake pads, things like that. So that's going to be a really handy button for you there. You also have your music, you have your telephone there, and then you have all of your settings. So lots of great information just at the push of a button. So taking a look at your infotainment screen, lots going on here as well. So you've got this great touch screen. You have your audio, which gives you your AM, FM, and your Sirius XM radio. You also have the option to put in your Bluetooth, so that's going to be really nice. Within your phone, so you have all hands-free calling. That's going to be really great, especially if you're going on those long road trips and you want to keep your hands on the wheel. You have your Wi-Fi hotspot, which is really awesome as well. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, applicable here, so that's going to be really great. Swiping a little bit further over there, you have your Onstar services. You can download all of your favorite apps to work within your home screen as well. So that's going to be, so lots happening with that. Moving a little bit further down, you have your dual zone climate control. So if somebody's running a little warmer or cooler than yourself in the passenger seat, that's not going to be a problem there. Underneath that is your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. And then just under that is a whole bunch of cool stuff. You got your rear park assist, you have your power tailgate again, and then you have your traction control, your power, and your downhill assist. Just under there is where you're going to find your trail brake controller. You have both of your types of USB inputs, a 12-volt DC plug-in and a 115-volt plug-in. Lots and lots of storage here on the inside. A couple of cup holders there for you. Now you've got this great leather wrapped center console. You've got some storage here for your phone, and then under here is really awesome. Not only do you have a bunch of storage, but right in here is a private safe. So if you do want to lock up some of your valuables, especially if you're leaving your work truck somewhere, something like that, that's not going to be a problem. You've got your customized safe there. You have all of your USB and your audio inputs there as well. And then this can double as an armrest, so that's going to be really great. So that is some of what's going on in the front of your Silverado. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Taking a look at the back of your custom Trail Boss, now you can see that you do have your corner steps on your rear bumper. You also have your dual exhaust, which is awesome. You have your Chevrolet inlay on your tailgate, which is going to give you a nice custom look. And you've also been outfitted with a Truxedo Low Pro tonneau cover, so that's going to keep all of your valuables nice and safe. You have your rear vision camera just here, making it nice and safe to back into those tight spaces. Right here, you can see that you are fully equipped with all of your trailering equipment. So whether you're going camping with the family or if you just want to bring your toys around, that's not going to be a problem for you. And right here is all of your rear sensors. So these are going to be your rear parking sensors, again, making that backing up much, much safer. Giving you a final look then of your customized 2019 Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. There is so much happening with this vehicle that I didn't get a chance to touch on in this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive. We're here at Sherwood Park Chevrolet on Premier Way, and until we see you, drive safe.